Myself, Dr. K.V. Shivanand Murthy, working as Assistant Professor in Government Engineering College, Ramnagara. In this video, we'll see the assembly of plumber block. In the examination, they are going to provide this particular sheet. This sheet will have the information regarding power drawings, regarding a plumber block, body component made of cast iron, cap, bearing bottom off, bearing top off, bolt M10, nut, lock nut and shaft. See, this is one. It shows the sectional front view and top view of power drawing. Second one for cap for sectional front view and top view. This is regarding bearing bottom of front view and left view, bearing bottom left view and front view. This is M10 bolt, this is M10 nut, locking nut and shaft. Okay, in this video let's see how to make a plumber block assembly. Okay, I have already created the power drawings. In this video we'll learn the assembly of plumber block. Okay, for that go for assembly environment. I have already created the power drawings and I saved in plumber block folder. Now go to tools, edge bar, here in now open the plumber block folder. It contains the power drawings components. We can see the here preview also, body. This is the body component preview, cap, bearing bottom off, bearing top off. There is a bolt M10, lock nut, nut. Okay, now let's see the assembly drawing of plumber block. First, drag the body component here. Now second, bearing bottom off. So you can use assembly commands, they flash fit, mate, planar align, axial align, insert, like that. But here we can complete this plumber block assembly by using flash fit. Okay, select the flash fit. Here align this one, axial align of this one, the axial align of this one. See here the mouse symbol, right click, can select this one. Okay, now control I, isometric view, and next axial align of this one. Okay, now the part gets highlighted. Second thing, bearing top off. Now when it gets aligned, its color also changes. Again, now again we are in flash fit. Select this particular thing. Next this one. Okay, next drag the cap, select the front face. When the mouse symbol comes, right click, select this particular face. It has to get aligned with this one, and also axial align of this cutout, with axial align of this one. Okay, now next bolt. For this one I will use the insert command, insert, and this face, this one, it has to get mate with this face, and also this cylinder is in align with this cylinder. Control I. Next, drag the nut. For this one should work with zoom. Drag here, right click, select this one, it has to come and align with here, fit. Next, lock nut. For this one, right click, select this one, mate with this one. Okay, now I'll mirror these components here. Okay, and also we can use the shaft also. Shaft, axial align of this one, this particular thing, move for some particular distance. Okay, now use the mirror command, because no need to again align the bolt, nut and locking nut. Directly we can use the mirror, click on the reference plane, select this as the reference plane, click on the components to get mirror, go to this one now, assembly pathfinder, here select lock nut and also bolt, and accept, click OK, finish. Okay, now assembly of the plumber box completed. Now you can see the views also. Control F for front view, Control T top view, Control R right view, Control L left view, Control B bottom view, Control I isometric view. Okay, now I'll save the assembly drawing. Save as the same folder, that is in desktop, plumber blocks, select as plumber block assembly. Okay, now assembly is over, but in examination they will ask you to draw the sectional front view and top view, and also along with left view and isometric view. Okay, for that we have firstly assembled component should be saved first. I have saved the component here. Now go to drawing file, create drawing. Okay, next select the front view, customize, this view is our front view, close. Now front view, top view, left view and isometric view, finish. Now I placed all the view. This is front view, this is top view, this is left view and this is isometric view, but the sheet is in A2 size. But in examination you are supposed to provide and get me the you are supposed to get the printout in A4 size. So go to sheet setup, right click on this one, sheet setup. I'll set A4 size sheet, background A4, select A4 size, switch off the background, size by default it is A4 only. Okay, now fit the views to A4 size sheet, select, You can scale the drawing. Now it is in 1:1, so you can select by 0.5, enter. Okay, select this one, because here views are interlinked. If I move one view, because front view, top view and left view are get interlinked. If I move any one of the link, automatically other views also moving. Okay, this is independent view. Isometric view is not related to any of the views. Now fit. Now this is A4 size sheet. Okay, now this is front view, this is top view, and this is the left view and isometric view. But in the examination they'll ask you to draw half sectional front view, top view and isometric view. Okay, anyhow, this view is not required. I'll delete this view. Delete. Yes. Okay, if this is the view, this is front view, but I want to draw the half sectional front view. I'll delete this view. Yes. Okay, I'll increase this view by again 0.6. Okay, fine. Now I'll show you how to draw the sectional front view. Go to this cutting plane, select this view, zoom the working area. Now draw the section line. Okay, select this side or this side. Finish. It is asking either to select this side or this side. You select this side. Fit. Go to section view. Click on the section line. Drag it. Now this is your full sectional front view, and this is your top view, and this is your isometric view. Okay, but you can observe in the sectional front view, even it shows hatching for bolt, nut and all, but as per the procedure, even though the material will cut, we should not show hatching for shaft, bolt, nut, gear, rivets, rib stiffener, like that. Okay, for that we should go to properties and change the properties. Select this one, right click, select this one, right click on this one, go to properties. In properties you can give this as sectional front view, full sectional front view, sectional front view. The display, we should switch off the section of these parts. One is shaft, nut, lock nut and also bolt. Okay, switch off the section, click OK, and you click on the update views. Okay, now you observe here, see, now it is not showing hatching in bolt, nut and all. Okay, now this is your sectional front view, full sectional front view, top view. Rename the top view, click on this one. See here, you enter the caption, top view, enter, and click over here, comes. Okay, now this is top view, full sectional front view. Keep the isometric view over here, and now update the isometric view. Select this view and click on update. This is your isometric view. And also using text, you can type here, select the font 6, isometric view. Okay, now this is full sectional front view, top view and isometric view. Okay, now in the examination, if they ask for half sectional front view, then okay, I'm going to delete this. Is full section. If they ask for half sectional front view, I'm going to delete this one. Yes, delete the section line, delete. Okay, fit. Go to again cutting plane, select this one, zoom the working area, draw the section line. Okay, we should extend line up to here. Okay, fit, finish, and it is asking either to select this side or this side. Select this side. Now click the section view, select the section line, place over here. Now this is your off sectional front view and this is your top view. Okay, in off front view also we can edit. Go to properties, the general section, you type it as off sectional front view, display. You should select shaft should not be hatched, nut, lock nut and bolt. Switch off the section. Okay, and update. Now I can observe here. Now this is off sectional front view, this will be your top view, this is in isometric view. And one more thing you are supposed to highlight here, represent. For part list, go to part list, select this particular view and finish. See, part list is ready here. Now in this one, document number, so this is not required. Right click on this one, go to properties, columns. Here it is displayed item number, document number, title, material, quantity. These are required. Document number is not required. Select this one and remove. Okay, place it properly. Okay, now this is okay. Whatever the components shows, body, it is of cast iron, quantity 1. Okay, like this one. So this is your off sectional front view, this is the top view, isometric view table. Okay, in examination you are provided to get the printout of this particular sheet of A4 size. If you want, please, students are requested to type your ESN. Please don't mention your name on this particular sheet. You can type your USN if you want. Okay, see, type your SNS 1GG 18ME 043, like that. Whatever your USN number is there, you please mention. Okay, this completes assembly of plumber block and also the drawing view. Okay, thank you.